my camera's not waterproof.
Hey, look at the surfers!
Oh, you should show them my house.
Oh, where's your house? What?
Yeah, my house is just right there. That third one on the right, they just finished building it. So I'll be moving in like 2 weeks. They still gotta get like the plumbing and everything done. But yeah, pretty good deal. It was only $3.50 a month. And then I included an extra $5 a day and they give you a shout out, so.
Wow. Damn.
Pretty good.
What is this?
Oh, fuck this piece. We got another one, man. No dogos, no care.
Is it still there?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Sitting here watching Will learn how to go underwater without having to plug up his nose. Enjoying one of these, what are these called? Zone Perfect nutrition bars, chocolate mint. Remember, guys, it's just a snack. It doesn't count. It's just a snack. Fuck.
Parkour.
Parkour.
Oh no, I got the ear things. Sandy. Did you see the last one? Did you film the last one?
I don't know.
When we surfed, I surfed like all the way to the
Holy
front.
shit.
Huh?
Fucking God.
Oh.
What's going on, guys? Here I have another video uploading for you guys. This video is actually almost 2 months old now. It was filmed in the end of August, but I've just taken a long time getting around to editing it and everything. But figured it'd be cool to have another day in the life type of video up on the channel for you guys to check out. So just gonna do an upper body workout in this video, let you guys see that, and then afterwards I have a nice treat for you guys where I bring home my Huskies some new duck or goose toys, and you can see them try to destroy them. So hope you guys like the video, and I'll be signing out. Until next time, guys, peace out, bye.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground,
There we go. These are your chickens, boy. Your chickens. You get them there. There he goes. He's gonna go kill it in the gravel. Herbert, what's that, boy? Huh? That's not a ball. Rambo usually does that. He'll try to get ponies and doesn't know what to do with it at first. Rambo, it's a toy. Go get it. Go play with it, boy. Play. Have fun. Mr. Lambo. Is Herbert gonna shake it? He doesn't know what to do. They're confused. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Oh, he found the squeaky.
Oh, it's over now. He loves making it squeak. Look at him go. You kill it, Herbert. You kill it. Herbert, you're squeaky too. Hey, okay, boy. You're squeaky.
There's a pooper there.
Huh?
There's a poopy.
Yeah, that's Herbert. Get it, Herbert, get it. You want to make it squeak? You want to make it squeak, boy? Squeak? Where's your squeak?
He's getting mad because he can't tear it. Oh, he's gonna get
Yeah,
the.
there he goes. He'll rip the wings right
He
off.
found out the wings are.
Look at the wings. He's squeaky. Look, he's squeaky. He's squeaky.
Oh.
No, Herbert.
He got that real quick out of the way.
Oh, there we go. You kill it, boy. Kill it. You did grab a hold of it.